ராமானுஜதயா பாத்திரம் ஞான வைராக்கியபூஷணம் ஸ்ரீமத்வேங்கடநாதாரியம் வந்தே வேதாந்த தேசிகம். சீரொன்று தொப்புள் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்று சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஓரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரப் போமளவும் வாழ்வு. We have been immersing ourselves and enjoying Amritaranjani Pasurams. We have covered so far 14 Pasurams of Amritaranjani. The 14th verse which we enjoyed yesterday, யான் அறியும் சுடராகி நின்றேன் மற்றும் யாதுமல்லேன், வான் அமுதத் திருமாலடியேன் மற்றோர் பற்றுமிலேன், தான் அமுதானமும் தம் சரணே சரணென்றிணைந்தேன், மானமில்லா அடிமை பணி பூண்ட மனத்தினனே அப்படிங்கிற ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியமான பாசுரம். தான் அமுதானவந்தன் சரணே சரணென்றடைந்தேன், மானமிலா அடிமை பணி பூண்ட மனத்தினனே. I took refuge at the sweetest nectar, amritam, like the lotus feet of Perumal. Thereby, now I am certain to secure eternal Kainkaryam at the Perumal's lotus feet, here as well as there. And Manamilla Adimai Pani Punda Manathinane, my mind always hangs on such eternal Kainkaryam. And the next Pasuram which he mentions, Swami, Sheelam Kavarndidum Deshigar Deshin Perumayinal, Thulangal Anna Turidangal Maindana Tunjal Tarum, கோலம் கடிந்திட கூறிய காலம் குறித்து நின்றோம், மேலிங்கு நாம் பிறவோம் வேலைவண்ணனை மேவுதுமே. ஷீலம் கவர்ந்திடும் தேசிகர் தேசின் பெருமையினால், தூலங்கள் அன்ன துரிதங்கள் மாய்ந்தன, துஞ்சல் தரும் கோலம் கழிந்திட கூறிய காலம் குறித்து நின்றோம், மேலிங்கு நாம் பிறவோம் வேலைவண்ணனை மேவுதுமே. The glories of Prabhati, the glories of Sharanagati. Swami Desikan has written this slokam, Pasuram, as an introduction or a summary of the Ragasya Sandesham, Childre Ragasyam. And he himself has written a commentary, own commentary on this Pasuram. And it is housed in Ragasya Sandesha Vivarana. Our Acharyas, the meaning broadly is, our Acharyas were path-showing pioneers. They were virtuous, they were cultured, they were refined, they were Jnana Vairagya Anushtana Sevati. They possessed all virtuous, noble qualities of head and heart. They guided us to the performance of Sharanagati. They placed our soul, our Atma, at the lotus feet of Perumal as Acharya Nishtai. They guided us to the performance of Sharanagati thus. As a natural result, all our papams are crushed, destroyed. Teenil dusahum sheppelo rembavai, Andal says. Past sins are all destroyed. Future acts incurred by any neglect, carelessness will not also adhere to for a prapanna. If it is intentional, then we need to perform either prayaschitta prapatti. So declare Vedic Shastras. We are thus waiting just to lay off this mortal remains, this body that had so far lived very many things. To the self, to the Jivatma, the body causes delusion, disillusion, dismay. We wait for this physical body in flesh and blood to fall just in its own natural process. Etat dehavasane mam tutpadam prapayasvayam, says Swami Desikan in Nyasa Dasakam. We therefore wait at the shore for the boat to come and fetch us in the ferry. பிறவிப் பெருங்கடல் நீந்துவர் நீந்தார் இறைவனடி சேராதார். People will cross the ocean of samsara and will not cross those who have not performed Sharanagati. Thiruvalluvar says. That means those who have performed will cross the ocean of samsara. பிறவிப் பெருங்கடல் நீந்துவர் நீந்தார் இறைவனடி சேராதார். We are sure we will have no more birth. பிணை கொடுக்கிலும் போகவட்டார். Even if Perumal says, are you interested to go back? We would say, no, please, no way. Nacha punaravartate, nacha punaravartate. We would not come back and we would not come back. Once we attain Sri Vaikuntham, no looking back. We will surely attain this blue-hued, lovely Perumal, Divyamangala Vigraham, and enjoy the blissful communion with him. We are convinced that we will never ever be born in this karma bhumi again. We stay waiting for the falling of this karma shariram that grows ajnanam more and more until we reach Paramapadam at the time ordained by our Perumal, so that we can commence our eternal Nitya Kainkaryam in the fullest manner, even though we are performing little bit. And here also we would do that to him as at his supreme abode eternally, blemishlessly, faultlessly, in all times, under all circumstances. That's because our Sadacharyas, who are filled with Sadacharam and auspicious attributes, they have placed our soul. Seelam kavarndidum deshigar teshin perumayinal. Because of their tejas, because of their attributes, because of their gunas, because of their vatsalyamanas, and because of their bhakti, jnanam, vairagyam, anushtanam, all our papams are destroyed, because they have placed our soul at the lotus feet of Acharya Perumal. Because we sought refuge at the lotus feet of Perumal, they have agreed to place our soul at the lotus feet of Perumal. Acharyas is the dispeller of dismal darkness of ignorance. Acharya removes all our papams. Thus, he makes us equal to himself. He gives us the Vidya Janmam that would put an end to the cycle of births and deaths. Swami Desikan mentions this in Nyasa Vimsati. Swami Desikan also mentions that Acharya has got so many qualities. He is a Shrotriya, he is a Brahmanishta for gaining the knowledge of the Supreme Brahman. This Acharya is to be sought, should be endowed with the following qualities. Siddham Sat Sampradaye Sthiradiyan Anagam Shrotriyam Brahmanishtam Satvastam Satyavacham Samaya Niyataya Sadhu Vritya Sametam Dhambasuyadi Muktam Jita Vishaya Ganam Dirgabandhum Dayalum Skalitye Shashitaram Swaparahita Param Deshikam Bushnuripset. Here Acharya must have gained realization. Acharya must be of a firm understanding and conviction. Acharya must be sinless, pure, well versed in Shastram, scriptures, established in Brahman, Sattvic in nature, truthful, endowed with Kalyana Gunams, Atma Gunams, virtuous behavior, free from jealousy, free from vanity, desire and other vices, endowed with control, conquest over the sense organs, forgiving nature, compassionate, corrective whenever there is a lapse and mindful of the disciples, Tritti Panigolvan, பயன் நன்றாகிலும் பாங்கல்லாராகிலும் செயல் நன்றாக திருத்தி பணிகொள்வான் ஆச்சாரியன். லைக் அவர் பிரபன்ன ஜன சந்தான கூட்டஸ்தர் நம் ஷடகோபன். ஸோ ஆச்சாரியன் ஆச்சாரியாதிக தேவதாம் சமதிகாம் அந்யாம் ந மன்யாமஹே. We would not consider anyone equal to God, anyone equal to Acharya. So Acharya, the role of Guru and Acharyan is unique. One cannot proceed on right line without the authentic guidance of Guru Acharya. The mysteries are not possible of being known without proper initiation by the Acharya. He is the custodian of true knowledge, such Sampradayic knowledge. And the Acharya enlightens us on the Jivatma's real nature, his inseparable relationship with Perumal, and the supreme object of life of attaining the bliss of eternal Kainkaryam at the lotus feet of Perumal. And he places our soul at the lotus feet of Perumal. So only when he comes across such Acharyan who is compassionate, he will be able to know his true nature. The Guru shows the path to knowledge. The Guru initiates the procedure. He plans for our progress. He gives the relevant, necessary knowledge, corrects us whenever we go wrong, and places our soul at the lotus feet of Perumal for the ultimate goal of mokshanubhavam. Acharya is the ultimate. One should ever be grateful to the Guru, and one should bring to light openly the glories of one's Guru. Gurum prakashayet dhiman mantra yumnena gopayet. And may our Acharyas be pleased with us and bless us with their kataksham always. Acharyan Trivadikale Sharanam. Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline. Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. Dhanyos.